Ever felt like your writing is a crime scene, where every typo and grammatical mishap just waiting to be discovered? It's time to play detective with MyEssayWriter.ai's grammar checker, your trusty sidekick in the battle against bad grammar. We've all been there. You pour your heart into an essay, only to sabotage it by those sneaky little typos. But fear not, our grammar checker is here to rescue your writing. Our tool scans your text quickly, highlighting mistakes in seconds. Just paste your text, no complications, and get unlimited checks without any restrictions. We've got you covered whether it's English, Spanish, or any other language. This tool is super easy to use. First, paste your text, then click that big check button, and lastly, review the suggestions. You'll make edits faster than a caffeine-fueled writer on a deadline. Whether you're wrestling with those tricky English rules, polishing up your latest masterpiece, or just trying to dodge those embarrassing typos, this tool is here to save the day. It's not just about fixing errors, it's like giving your writing a spa day, making it clearer, sharper, and more interesting. Wondering how it works? Our advanced algorithm gets right to business. It scans your text, breaking it down word by word and sniffing out mistakes like a pro. It doesn't just stop at grammar, it also analyzes the structure and context. Think of it as having a grammar expert on standby, ready to offer smart suggestions that match the meaning and tone of your writing. So next time you find yourself writing, remember, don't let grammar mistakes ruin your masterpiece. Use MyEssayWriter.ai's grammar checker to write confidently and with zero grammar mistakes. If you've ever sent a typo and cringed, hit subscribe. Hit like. Start using our grammar checker today and say goodbye to bad grammar forever.